The room object can be assigned with an architectural zone previously defined in general data. In the height reference system, we can associate the room at a given floor level, assign a delta value or assign a sub-level. You can also assign a material for the flooring, and by accessing the catalogue, we can also select the type of material required. We can then modify the layers that relate to all of the elements that compose the room object. And the room table shows a detailed list of the room's metric data.